Hello, this is JT Regulator of Inglorious Bulldogs, and today we have another Alliance War. I'm going to be using 3-star rare heroes, and if you haven't seen my videos before, the main reason and the main thing we want to accomplish with our Alliance War using our 3-star heroes is to weaken our enemy. And then sometimes we have the opportunity to do cleanup where there's 1 or 2 heroes left, and then you can finish them off. Looks like today when I looked at the board, mostly what we're going to be doing is weakening up teams for our fellow Alliance members to have a easier shot at. So today we have another field aid for our enemies, and it's going to make it difficult. So it looks like we got a cleanup here that I didn't notice earlier. So let's see, it's a Bane, and I'll probably take in a weak team to finish him off. So Bane is a yellow. So I'll probably use a couple of my purple heroes. And then some of my lower levels as well that I probably won't use. Alright. So hopefully this goes well. Probably should, yeah, yellow diamond right away. And then it looks like, let's see if we can get a purple. Nope, alright. Let's see if this will finish him off. Alright, there we go. Finished him off before the field aid went off, so that went really well. Let's go ahead and see what we can do about weakening up some of these tanks. And again, yeah, if you haven't seen my videos before, I usually like to go after tanks that are more of your sniper variety. So you look at Elena here, she's not a classic sniper because she does damage to all your enemies, and it's 200%. And then when she goes off, there's going to be a counterattack when you hit her or her nearby enemy, so she makes a really good tank. So let's go ahead and attack her. Next to her is Asarnia, and she does a 235% damage to all of the enemies, all of your heroes. And then she gets defense down, which is a really nice effect as well. And then this is one I haven't gone up against before. Kiona. Looks like she's dealing 372% damage to the target. The caster and nearby allies get plus 45 attack, so her attack is up, and 20% increase every time they are hit during 3 turns. So then there's an elemental link, so we should be able to send tiles into all of these. There are no healers on this team for whatever reason, and so we can actually send tiles into all of them. All right. Probably go heavy blue, so blues that I'm not going to use in the second round is what I'm going to go with. So Ulmer is a good one that I have. Just picked up this costume Magni, so he'll probably make my tiles a little bit better. Then Sonya I'll probably use. and Valen I'll probably use in the second round. So let's put in some reds as well. I should have a Hawk Moon that I can use. I probably won't use Nash Gear at all. Again, just try to do as much damage as possible. Watch that field aid go up. Looks like I'm not going to get any specials going off. Doing decent damage to... too bad Magni couldn't have held on there. He's just too low. So even though Magni's a 5-star hero, he's just so low right now. He's more like a weak 3-star hero. All right, so that's pretty good on that one. 15 points and really weakened up Elena. And I don't really have enough to take her out. Another red tank there. I wonder if they haven't gone with all red tanks, which sometimes is a good thing to do on defense if your whole team can run the same color tank. All right, let's look here. Obakan. He's more of a sniper because he's doing 260% damage to the target and minor damage to nearby enemies. So not a true sniper. But again, here is Boral. So again, I don't know if there's any healers on this one. Yep. So let's go ahead and put together my weak yellow team. That'll be it for the first round. Alright, so Ganju, definitely Malia. Bane I will probably use in the second round. And then I think I'll just hodgepodge it for the rest. I need to switch on Boral. I need to switch. Just picked up that costume one, so I need to equip him with this one. Okay. And then Carver. All right. Again, try to do as much damage here as possible and then probably flee at the end. Get a special to go off this time. Alright, that was pretty good. Bailiff. That's awesome. I was able to take out the tank on that one. It's kind of good as it gets when you're using these 3-star epic heroes up against a bunch of 5-stars, so... Yeah, it looks like they had 4 5-stars and one 4-star, right? So, yeah, it's pretty successful using my weakest teams. Looks like, let's see how many points we scored on that one. 1532 plus 24, like 56. So that's really good for my weakest teams. All right, until next time. Yeah, thanks for watching.